Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the glow plug control module of the J179 on Audi A6 C6 4F with a 3 liters TDI engine. The glow plug on this car is located on the right side of the engine, underneath this plastic cover and underneath the ECU. So first we need to remove this plastic cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we need to remove this cover as well. That's the cover for the ECU. It's held by a couple of Torx bolts. These are the bolts and one on the rear. In order to get to that bolt on the rear, first we need to bring this thing up so that we have enough space to remove the bolt. In order to bring this thing up, we need to remove those two bolts. Now that the bolts are out, we can there is more space now, it's more loose and we can get to that bolt over there. So now we start removing the bolts. Now that the bolts are out, we're going to remove this cover. Now that this plastic cover is removed, we have access to the ECU and the glow plug control module is underneath the ECU. I'll show you where it is. It's right there. There's a number on it, 369 I think, or something like that. In order to get to it, we need to bring up the ECU. So first we're going to remove this metal bracket that holds the ECU. And then we're going to bring the ECU up. And then we're going to take out the glow plug control module. And now we have access to the glow plug control module, glow plug relay. In order to remove it, we just need to wiggle it a little bit and it will come out. That's it right there, 639, that's the number, that's the glow plug relay. So we need to wiggle it a little bit and it will come out. And that's the globe plug control module out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. There's a lot of oxidation on the pins on the glow plug relay, so you might want to spray some contact spray on the connector on the other side, and then put on the new relay. And that's the relay back in its place. Now we're going to assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.